Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, today we are going to do an interesting chapter, that is Journey of a Burger Bun. I hope you all love to eat burger. I don't think anyone is there who doesn't like that burger. So today we are going to talk about journey of a burger bun, how it is formed and what are the different procedure. So we'll see that those procedure you can find it out that page number 48 in your book. First of all, for making that burger we required flour. So first of all, the farmer grows grain in the field. Once ripened, the grain is harvested. Fine. First of all, this journey of burger start from field. Journey of burger bun starts from field. Now in field, that farmer grows the grain. In the field, the farmer grows the grain, and once that crop is ready, ripened, then it will be harvested. Now what is the second step that we will see? That from field then it will goes to, what is the second? Then it is harvested, threshing and chaffing will be done, and grain will be removed from the husk. So we will find grain from husk. Fine, husk will be removed and we will get a proper grain. Now this grain will given to now this wheat is packed and sent to the wholesale market. Now wheat is packed and then it will be sent to wholesale market. And then from the market, from wholesale market, where that will be collected together and it will be sold whenever it is required, or the different companies are going to take it from there. So from the wholesale market it goes to retail shops, and from where the baker buys the flour. From wholesale market it will goes to retail market, and from retail market it will be by the bakers. It will be by the bakers, and then bakers, what they were doing, one who bake, they are called bakers. Now then the flour is baked in the bakery into burger buns. Fine. Then in the bakery, bakers will buy this, and then baker will bake the burger buns. Burger buns in bakery. This will be the second next process. After baking it, then these buns are available. From there the buns comes to the burger shop and are used to make burger sandwiches, which we enjoy at a burger shop. Now after making that burger, this burger will be sent to burger shops. So these are the process how we will be getting a burger bun. Fine. First, from field, grain will be, once the grain will be ripened, it will be harvested and it will be separated from husk. And then this grain, this wheat will be sold in wholesale market. From wholesale market, the people, they will get it send it to retail market. And then from retail market, that grain is bought by bakers, and then that flour will be baked into burger buns in bakery, Then once the burger buns will be ready, it will be sent it to burger shops, and from that burger shops you will be getting different kinds of burger that will be available over there to eat. So this is a journey of a burger bun, fine, and by all this process only you will get the burger. Now children, after that we are going to quiz yourself. 1 and 2 we have done yesterday. So after that journey of a burger bun that we have done, that a chapter which was left, fine, that is no exercises given in this chapter, but for your knowledge we have done it. Now we'll do model test paper 1, which is given in your book on page number 75. Page number 75, model test paper 1. Now model test paper 1, in this you have been given questions which is related to all those chapters which we have already done. Related to that only few of the chapters have been given. So we'll find it out that what are the chapters which we have done and what are the questions are there of that page number 75. So here the model test paper 1, first one, A part is choose the correct answer from the options given below. Now first question is, people of this state celebrates Pongal and speak Tamil. Now the options are West Bengal, here are the options are West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Assam. So the correct options is Tamil Nadu. The people, those who were living in Tamil Nadu, they were celebrating Pongal and they speak Tamil. Now, number 2, rhinos in India are found in the wild in this state. So, rhinos are found in which state? Gujarat, Punjab or Assam. So, the correct answer is Assam. And in Assam, we have one national park, Kaziranga National Park, which we have done in our previous chapter. Kaziranga National Park, which is famous for one-horned rhinoceros, and national parks are the natural habitat of the animals. They were living over there in their natural habitat. They can live over there and in their natural surroundings, and they don't have any kind of a problem over there. So now we'll come to next. Third one is a doctor who treats diseases of the teeth and gums. That is A part journalist, B part dentist and C is surgeon. Which is the correct answer? Yes, a doctor who treats disease of teeth and gum, that is dentist. So the correct answer is dentist. Dentist is the correct answer. Number 4, a bird which is considered the symbol of peace. A bird which is considered as a symbol of peace. Turkey, parrot and dove. Yes, the correct answer is dove. Dove is taken as a symbol of peace. Now number 5, the national fruit of India is orange, mango, guava. That I have told you many times. National fruit of India is mango. So National fruit is mango. National tree is banyan tree. National flower is lotus. National animal is tiger. National bird is peacock. And there is many things you will revise as many times you were doing anything, any one thing that is related to that. Now here national fruit of India is mango. Now B part, identify and name the following. You have been given with few of the pictures which you have done in your previous chapters, and you have to write the answer of this. So you can see that first picture, what is that? It is of flat fish. See, I'll show you. These pictures have been given. This you can see. This fish, that is your flat fish. So what you will write? B, identify the picture. You have to identify the picture and then you will write the answers below. First picture is of flat fish. Next, number 2 is of. Next picture is of ladybug. Ladybug. Then next picture is of a cricketer, which is right now captain of our cricket team. Yes, that is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. Then last but not the least, last picture you can see of a lady, which is a huge name in for getting our freedom, Annie Besant. Fine. And Annie Besant is a huge name in forming INC also, Indian National Congress, in the year 1885. Indian National Congress in the year INC, Indian National Congress. See why this Indian INC is important. When our country is under the rule of Britishers, then our leaders had a thought that we have to need freedom from Britishers. So what they have done, this Annie Besant, who is actually a Britishers, but she told the Indians that you required a political party which which will be put on your thought in the front of Britishers. So what we had a thought that, okay fine, we will make a group of people which will put up our thought to in the front of Britishers. So at that time we have formed this Indian National Congress in year 1885, and it is formed by the help of Annie Besant. So Annie Besant is a huge name of getting freedom and getting this Indian National Congress formed. So this we have done A and B. Now we will come to C part of this model test paper. Now C part, what is there? In C part you have been given with some of the clues, and with that clues you have to answer the following, and you have to fill in the blank. Now first one, C part, and first one is, this is the oldest language in India. Now which is the oldest language in India? Now many of you will have a thought that Hindi is the oldest language, but that is incorrect. Hindi is not an oldest language. The oldest language of India is Tamil. Tamil is the oldest language of our country. Fine. In fact, after independence, that first language which was often used by different people, that was Tamil only. Now we'll come to next. These help fishes to breathe. So gills help fishes to breathe. Why I have written gills? Because they have two. Now this animal gives us wool which we make to which was used to make sweaters, that is sheep. We will be getting wool from sheep. In fact, we will use wool from yak also. This plant help in curing cough and cold, that is tulsi. You more often you have heard that drink a kada of tulsi, fine, and that will be beneficial for you to get cure from that, fine. So that tulsi is very important. Now D part is unscramble the words to name the following. Now answer have been given, but that is given in unscrambled form. So now the national animal of India, that is the national animal of India, that is tiger, and or you can say that Royal Bengal tiger. Royal Bengal tiger. Royal Bengal tiger. Now an Indian language which is written in Gurmukhi script, that is Punjabi. Punjabi is written in Gurmukhi script. Now what do you mean by script? Which provide us alphabets to write it. Like Hindi is written from Devanagari script. Fine. So every language has its script. From that we will be getting that alphabet to write it down. Now a bird which does not make its own nest, that is cuckoo. That is cuckoo. A bird which does not make its own nest, that is cuckoo. Then the largest land animal on earth, that is elephant. Elephant. Largest animal on the land, on earth. Fine. If in water also land animal, it is asked that largest land animal on earth. If it is asked that largest animal on earth, then your answer will be blue whale. Fine. If land is not mentioned over there. So children, with this we have finished our model test paper 1. Quite easy. And now we will start our page number 76, that is your model test paper 2. And half of that we'll do it right now. Model test paper 2. These all things you have already done in the chapters. So that thing only we were revising it here, or we will be getting questions related to that only. So now model test paper 2. Here A part, unscramble the words to name the following. This boy's friend were Balu the bear and Bagheera the panther. Name of that boy is, yes, it's correct, that is name of that boy is Mowgli. Mowgli. Number 1 is Mowgli. Mowgli is a huge name. And Mowgli is having two friends, Balu and Bagheera. Balu, actually it is a bear. And the quite famous movie in which we have seen all these characters, that is The Jungle Book. Now, next question is, this is a classical dance from Tamil Nadu, that is Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam. is the famous classical dance form from Tamil Nadu. Now, the famous pyramid of Giza are located in which country? That is located in Egypt. That is located in Egypt. In Egypt it is located. Now number 4 is, this was invented by Thomas A. Edison or Thomas Alva Edison. That is bulb. Bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Next is, this bony cage protects our heart and lungs. This bony cage protects our heart and lungs. If you will see in your body, you will get this kind of a cage which protect your heart and lungs, and that cage is called rib cage. That cage is called rib cage. Now this city hosts the Wimbledon every year. That is London. Now Wimbledon Cup, which is associated with tennis, that is organized by London every year. Now then, next is related to identify name of the following. You have been given few of the pictures in your book. See this. Few of the pictures have been given of different Qutub Minar, spider, largest spider, that is tarantula. Fine, tarantula, Katrina Kaif, and this is your famous badminton player. Fine. So you have to write. Now B part is to write the name of all these. Identify the name of the following. So the first one, the first picture is of famous badminton player. That is P.V. Sindhu. P.V. Sindhu. Number 2 is the picture of famous actress. That is Katrina Kaif. Katrina Kaif. And just now I have told you the third picture, which you can see the largest spider in the world, that is tarantula. Tarantula. Tarantula is the largest spider in the world. Now the fourth picture is of Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is Qutub Minar, which is formed by Qutbuddin Aibak, which is formed by Qutbuddin Aibak, and it is one of the famous monuments of India. Very important. Now next, C part is match the column. Match the following pictures with the names given below. Now you have been given with names also and pictures have been given. So here you can see these names have been given, pictures have been given, along with that you have been given with names. So in this boxes or in this circle you will write the correct number. For example, the first picture is of A.R. Rahman and it is given on which term? That is given on B. So what you will write in box? You will write B. Then next is of, now related to A.R. Rahman. If I talk about A.R. Rahman, that is a huge music director, music composer, singer, lyricist also, and he got Oscar award also, which is the highest award related to any music and this industry. Now next picture is of B.R. Ambedkar, which is known as father of constitution, which is our constitution was formed by B.R. Ambedkar, and it was after making that constitution, then only our country got republic in the year 1950, 26 January 1950. Third picture is of Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is a huge name in our freedom fighter list for getting our country freedom from Britishers. Subhash Chandra Bose has formed Azad Hind Fauj also, and that Azad Hind Fauj was formed, and earlier in 1930 our country Subhash Chandra Bose in 1930 only, when that Fauj was formed, that day was declared as Independence Day of our country in the year 1930, but that day was not our actual Independence Day. So Subhash Chandra Bose is a follower of Mahatma Gandhi also, and Subhash Chandra has only given the name Bapu to Mahatma Gandhi, and later on he is called as a father of nation. Next picture is of Sania Mirza, which is a famous lawn tennis player. And last picture is of Karan Johar, which is a producer director of your Bollywood films, Karan Johar. So children, today we have completed our model paper 1 and 2, and with this our unit 9 is completed. Children, now what we will do here in your book, you have been given with so many pages which almost we have completed. Only that number and logical skills, that is your unit 4, number and logical skills, that is left, and shapes and patterns that we are going to match it and will do it in our class. Now children, what you are supposed to do it, you are supposed to do questions related to general knowledge, like who is the present president of our country, prime minister, chief minister, states and their capital, and the languages which were spoken over there. Now I am going to take topics that is related to your general knowledge. That topic will take it, and we will do questions related to that only, and we will complete, almost we have completed our unit 9, although we have completed also unit 9, and only shapes and pattern fun and how many are there. Quite simple exercise will be there in your book, that is your unit 4, that we will do it in online class. And now tomorrow onward we are going to take few GK simple questions, and will understand about some of the concepts, some of the monuments, will do different things related to different places. So from tomorrow we are going to do few of the GK questions. You all will see the videos and learn those GK questions, and then we are going to start revision of our GK book. Unit wise we will start revising it, and then we'll keep on doing those GK question also, as well as our book also. So first 3 chapters, first 3 unit have came in our evaluation 1. So we will start with unit 4 tomorrow, shapes and pattern fun. Along with that shapes and pattern, and along with that we are going to take few of the GK questions also, and on the screen only we are going to see the questions as well as its answers also. So now tomorrow we will start with our unit 4, and I hope today you have enjoyed doing model test paper 1 and model test paper 2. So tomorrow we will continue our class here, and we are going to take doubts in our class, online class. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.